Hello, I'm Stephen Foster. I'm a social worker, a positive discipline lead trainer, and the co-author of the Early Childhood Educator's Manual and Tool Cards. I spent most of my working life on the floor in early childhood classrooms like yours. Are some of the children in your classroom driving you crazy? Do they swear at you like tiny sailors? At the end of the day, or even in the middle of the day, do you wonder what happened to the day that you had planned? You're not alone. Early childhood educators from all over the world are in the very same boat. Fortunately, help is at hand. The Positive Discipline Early Childhood Educators Workshop that we're offering will help you learn to convert your classroom into the beacon of community and skill building that you always hoped it would be. For more information, check out the link below, then join us.